just something that I'm very happy and proud of. I don't know if it was because I was tired or it's something like that, but I got such a good sleep here. Like I slept, usually I sleep around 3 a.m., 4 a.m. Yesterday I was in the bed around 11:30, 12. I was talking to my friends, and then I tried sleeping around 1, and in an hour I got proper sleep. And I woke up just once in the morning, like around 6:30, and then I woke up at 10 because I had a meeting at 10:30. And by that time, I ordered breakfast. Like Tim Hortons is the only thing that I could trust here. Like I'm still not familiar with places, so I've just ordered. I just ordered from the places that I know would be good. So I ordered an iced latte and my avocado, like such a mean breakfast. But yeah, so right now the plan is to have breakfast. Yesterday was quite productive. Like I surprised myself with the amount of things that I was able to do. So I moved, and then the porter guys came. I made them to keep all the stuff. Then I called the Wi-Fi guy, like arranged numbers and all that, and got the Wi-Fi done there. So now I have internet to work, which I'm very happy about. Then I also got a maid. She'll be coming to clean. So I'll just show you the condition of this house. Yesterday when I was giving you the, like in the last vlog when I gave you the empty house tour, this was here and this was here, and I thought that maybe changing positions would look good, but I hate it. Like it's looking horrible. So because of that, all this kachura happened. So now the cleaning person is going to come, like the maid didi is going to come and clean everything. And this is what my living room looks like. It's horrible. Like it's full of boxes and stuff. So these are everything, like it has all the organization items for kitchen and wardrobe. So Amazon came, but we are going to fix it today. So the plan for today is to set up my wardrobe. Like first I will get these moved, and then to set up my wardrobe. That's the plan, because I need clothes, and that's the first thing that I want to do in this house, to be honest. So I've called for like multiple people today. So because like here two single beds are merged together, so there's a gap in between the bed, like the mattress, and I have spondylitis, so I cannot afford back pain. So I have called the sleep company, and they'll be coming to take measurements for the new mattress. So that's gonna happen. Like Urban Company people are going to come for all the furniture that I bought from IKEA, uska assembly. Like I literally have two brain cells, so I cannot figure it out on my own. So I just thought that calling them would be easier. So I have like a chest of drawers. I'll give you a haul like when it's almost. Yeah, they are going to do all that, and then once all that is done, I'm gonna move all the furniture here and start setting up everything. Like my scalp is so itchy due to all this dust and everything. I think I've gotten like bad dandruff. So, and I don't know where my toiletries and bathroom essentials are. So for now, after breakfast, I'm just gonna go down. There's a salon niche. So I'm gonna go get my hair washed, and at night when everything is unpacked, I will take a shower here. But yeah, that's the plan for today. So I'm just going to have my breakfast now and then start with the day. Like I'm so happy that I'm doing this alone. Like I can't even tell you. Like I never imagined myself, like, because last time I moved in, my ex was there and he helped me move and everything. But this time it's all alone, all by myself. Like I literally am getting goosebumps while saying this, but I'm just so proud of myself. Like last year, my best friend had to come and stay with me because I was so scared to live alone. For like she stayed for like 20 days or something. And today, at this time of the year, I'm all alone, figuring things out on my own, building a new life in a new city. So it's exciting, exhausting, but so worth it. So let's start with the day. So the Urban Company person has come. He's now assembling all the furniture, and I realized I did not get the kitchen cabinet that I had to get from IKEA. Like somehow I just missed it. So now I'm ordering it now. Let's see when can it get delivered at the earliest, and we'll have to get him call him again to fix that. But for now, getting all the drilling and everything done, that I have to Yeah. So like this chest of drawer thingy is halfway done, and he's putting the, what do you say? So he's gonna put the um, cabinets or drawers now. Initially, I was planning to keep it like this side with the mirror. I don't know. I might still change it later, but for now, I've kept it that side because I think it looked better that side, and like even the lighting is that side. So I think for now it's gonna be there, and I'm gonna put like a chotu mirror upar. Okay, so this is ready. Let me. So I'm planning to keep all my makeup and skincare here in the upper one, and then like the rest too for the other stuff like my clothes that I don't usually wear. Now Bhaiya is building like the side table. I wanted to do it myself, but then I have literally two brain cells, so I can't figure it out on my own. So now he is doing it. Let me show you all the process. So the side table is done. I'll keep things later here, but at least it's there now, so I can keep like water bottle and stuff here. So yeah, I love it. It doesn't go with like this furniture, the brown one, but then this is the best that I got. Like out of the 15-10 requirements that I had, I think this matched the most. So then I went for this. But yeah, I think and not complain and be happy. So yeah, this is done now. He's building the third furniture, which is like I want to set up like a coffee station, coffee bar sort of thing. So it's for that. So he's building that. Kitchen guy did not order, so he's not gonna do that. And then I'm gonna get like some drilling done for like paintings and like get the mirror installed and like install some shelves over here so I can keep my vision board and stuff. So that's the plan. And also the sofa cleaning guy has come, so I'm going out. I will help him with like I will clean, remove everything that is there on my sofa right now, like on my bags and stuff, so that he can clean the other one and then move the next one. So. So that came just now. My coffee station table is done. I'll just show it to you. It looks and like this is a drawer and then there's a storage area here. I'm so excited about building this. Yesterday all this furniture and stuff was done and I did not end up, like organizing my wardrobe because I was just too tired, and so I just like found जो भी clothes मुझे सामने दिखे suitcase में, I just took a shower and had my dinner, finished work and slept. Like I did not do anything, but the plan for today is just organizing my wardrobe and like जितने भी कपड़े हैं उनको boxes से निकाल के organize करना है. So that is the first thing that I'm gonna do today. So I have just bought one cartoon अभी वहाँ से. This has all my bottoms. I forgot to bring hangers from my old house, so this has the new hangers that I ordered from Blinkit. And like I also got these organizers. These are four ka set I think from Amazon. So I've just taken all the things that I would need outside, and yeah, I'm gonna start organizing the wardrobe now. So yeah, that's the progress so far. I will now just keep the winter wear, and then I have one more bag that's over there, and I will unpack that, and I think we'll be done for the day. Took a little snack break, and like my friends called, so I was speaking to them, but I think I got most of the things done. So like so let me show you this section. I'm keeping my all of my bottoms, and like all the formal stuff as well. I'll hang them there. And here I kept my all my skirts and shorts, like just kept them here. And in this one, till now I've used this section, and this has all of my daily wear sort of things, like all my jumpsuits and like track pants and night sets, all of that. And this is a bag of all my ethnic wear, so I've just kept it as it is, like as I had packed. So that's there. And then I've just taken out all my winter clothes that I would need. Like that green bag had all my winter clothes, so I've just taken them out here, or whatever I might need, because Pune is cold. So I've taken out some of them, and then rest of it I'm just gonna keep the bag as it is in the bed box. I'll just keep all my dresses here, because like I wear dresses like rarely, like when I'm going up. I should start wearing them more often now that I've said this. Like I'm just stacking them up here in this particular box, because whenever I need it I can just take out this box and like done. So this one box is done. This has like all my dresses. I've just stacked them up. Yeah, so I'm gonna keep these there. Yes. So this is done. Now I'm gonna take one of these and just keep all my teen tiny tank tops and like crop tops inside this one. I think I made a lot of progress since what I started with. So like I filled this part. This has all of my like tops, and this one has all my like bralettes and tank tops and all that. And just like that corner looks very messy, because like सारे shirts की band बजी हुई थी, and मैंने बस अभी के लिए उसको hang कर दिया. I will iron them later. So that is that. मैंने अपने सारे blazers and formal trousers, and again these body suits, I've just hang them here for now in a very bad manner. मुझे नहीं आता अच्छे से hang करना, but ठीक है, I've just like hang them here, like all my body suits and vest coats and all of that. And this has like all of my jeans, and here I have all my skirts and shorts. Now in this one I'm gonna put all my gym wear and like swim wear and all of that, and just keep it here. We are finally done with all the arrangements and everything, and this is how it's looking right now. There's of course a lot of things left because I've not unpacked one box which has like all the unwashed clothes. So I'll get the laundry done and then open that and then organize that. But I think we are good for now. I've also like filled these drawers with like all my stationery, and like this one has all my documents. So yeah, that's that. Also made this cute corner for now. Of course these things will change with all of that, but I think we are at a very good place from what we started with. So like my mattress is gonna come, so for till then I've just made a temporary bed for myself so I can sleep properly. But I think we're at a very good place from what we started with. So yeah, that's that. Proud of myself that I was able to actually do all of this alone. Like I have mentioned, I don't know how many times I've mentioned that already in this video, but then I am just proud. So you'll see rest of the things that I do in the next video. In the next vlog I will be organizing my kitchen, so that is the next content coming up for you, so stay tuned. And this is it for this video. I hope you liked it. I know I'm not very great with organization and everything, but I tried to do whatever I could and just took you all through the process. So yeah, let me know what you think, and if you have any tips for me, please drop them down in the comments below, and any suggestions that you would want me to make videos next on in this home series, so let me know. And yeah, bye.